Tears beneath the Uba tree. Long before the coming of white men and iron horses, in the quiet village of Umueke, there stood a tree. Not just any tree, but the oldest Uba tree in the land. Beneath its shade, lovers whispered, elders poured libation, and spirits, they say, listened. This is the story of Adaeze, the beautiful daughter of Chief Okorie, proud, graceful, and destined for a future of honor. And Obinna, the palm wine tapper's son, gentle in spirit, but born into the Osu caste, the untouchables. Their worlds were not meant to cross, but beneath the Ub tree, their hearts found each other. Each evening, while the village prepared for nightfall, Adaeze would sneak away with a gourd of water, her anklets barely making a sound. There, under the branches of the Uba tree, she met Obinna, his hands rough from the ropes of his palm trees, his eyes soft when they looked at her. "I thought you would not come today," Obinna whispered once, a smile on his face. "And miss the only place where I can truly breathe," she replied, placing her hand in his. Their love was a secret melody, sung only by the wind, heard only by the tree. But secrets, like roots, do not stay buried forever. As the Origi festival approached, Chief Okorie summoned the village elders. With pride in his voice, he declared, "At this year's Yam festival, my daughter Adaeze shall be given in marriage to Ezudo, the great warrior of Umueke. Let this union bring strength and honor to our clan." To the village, it was a celebration. To Adaeze, it was a sentence. And to the Uba tree, it was the beginning of sorrow. Adaeze begged her father. She pleaded with tears in her eyes. But Chief Okorie's heart was stone. "Better a dead daughter than a disgraceful one," he spat. Then came the betrayal. Amaka, Adaeze's childhood friend, who had watched the secret meetings with bitter eyes. She went to Chief Okorie and spoke with a trembling voice. "Father, forgive me, but Adaeze has been meeting the Osu boy under the Uba tree." The chief's rage shook the compound. That same evening, Obinna was dragged from his hut, beaten and tied to the village post. As the whip cracked through the air, the villagers jeered. "Osu and the chief's daughter, abomination!" Obinna said nothing, but Adaeze's scream echoed through the trees. "Stop, please, you're killing him." "Tie her down," the chief roared. "Let her watch what shame brings." That night, silence fell upon the village. The moon was full, the wind still, and Adaeze was gone. They searched every hut, every path, every riverbank, but her footprints ended at the roots of the Uba tree, and above, its leaves wept. The old women said they heard her voice in the wind. "Mama, I'm here, beneath the tree." Some say she ran. Others say the tree took her. The village mourned. Obinna was exiled, and the Uba tree, once a place of love, became a place of whispers. But the tree still stands, and when the wind is right, you can still hear her crying. Tears beneath the Uba tree.